Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss our topic, the project communication management. Friend, today's topic is very interesting and very important, especially if you are a student of project management and planning to give exam of PMP in near future. So this is a very important topic, and we have taken this topic from the PMBOK guide, project management body of knowledge. So let's start. First of all, I request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. Friend, today's topic is project communication management. First of all, we have to understand that what does it mean by actually communication. The topic is basically based on the project management. So what is the meaning or concept of communication here? Friend, in general meanings, in generally, what is actually communication? Communication means that to understand what the other person is saying actually. In a very simple, or you can say very simple way, that what is communication? Communication means to understand what actually one person want, what actually other person want to say. Okay, so in a very simple way. Now in exactly in a very into some detail level, communication means the sending of message from sender and receiving a message on the receiving side. It is some more detailed the definition of communication. Now the project communication method management is basically a connection of processes that help make sure the right messages are sent, received and understood by the right people. Okay, so this is the main thing. Now the project communication management is one of the 10 key knowledge areas in the PMBOK guide. The processes included in this area have changed over the years, but in the current version there are 3 primary project communication management process: plan communication management, manage communication and monitor communication. So this is the one thing. Then project communication management plan. When we talk about communication, basically we must have to make a project communication management plan. Project manager need to clearly outline how they will manage the communication, and how means when the question arise how, so that means you have to do the planning. So how you can make the project communication management plan? First of all, you have to decide your objectives actually. Objective means, friend, that what actually you want to get from the implementation of a project. Basically your customer will tell you that what value he wants to achieve from the delivery of a project. For example, one customer is want to make a mobile application for the banking industry, for example. So what are actually his objective? He wants, for example, he want that his customer base will increase, he want that his revenue will increase, he want that customer satisfaction will increase. So actually as a project manager, you must have to know that what are the objectives of the implementation of the project. Then determine your audience. Audience means that who are basically the persons who will be your audience actually, because whatever the management plan you are making, you must have to know that what type or which type of audience is there in front of you for which you are making the plan. Write your message, that what will the message for be for each type of communication. This is the actual content that will be shared. Key components to be communicated include scope, schedule, budget, objectives, risk, deliverables. Okay, choose your channel, that how will the message will be delivered. Will it be a formal report, email out to all stakeholders? Emails will be there, status reports will be there. So how a verbal communication on the phone calls will be there. So how, what channel will you use for the delivery of communication? Set a timeline. That means what will be your when you will deliver your message. Do your stakeholder required weekly, monthly, daily reports? So what will be the frequency, what will be the timelines on which you deliver the things actually. Then manage project communication. Manage means that collection, and the project manager also has to manage the execution of the project communication management plan. This includes the collection and analysis of their data, creation of messages for communication, transmission or distribution of communication, storage of any communication reports, files, documentation, retrieval of any stored communication, disposal of any old communication upon project closure or a set date. Then monitor project communication. This may include the confirmation of the following: communication went out as per the plan, the stakeholders received the they were received by the proper stakeholders, messages were properly understood by the stakeholder, any relevant feedback was provided to the appropriate project team members. So this is also very important for the monitoring of the project communication. Why it is important, friend? That you have made a project communication plan, but you must have to know that whether your plan is properly executing or not. Like, you have made the plan, but people are not following it, people are not getting the reports on weekly basis, people are not getting the status exactly. So there will be no use of only making the communication management plan. You have not only you have to make the communication management plan, also you have to monitoring as well that your communication plan should be properly executing as well. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video, and thanks a lot for giving me the time. Thank you.